Hey guys, we are here at Motorhomes of Texas. It is a big dealer in motorhomes in Nacogdoches, Texas, and they have got a large inventory, huge range of prices, and a great service shop. We've got ours in today, getting a little service done, and they have been top notch. So stay tuned. We'll show you all what they have and give you some tours of some top coaches.
Absolutely. Come along, guys. This is a Tiffin Allegro bus. It is a beautiful one. The cockpit area the leather is really nice on this driver's seat, and has the lighter beiges with browns. The dark cabinetry is really high-end cabinetry with the television up front. And then also, this is really great quality too. I like the large television up here with the two opposing sofas. This one has the reclining seats underneath it, along with a sleeping sofa underneath that as well. So it's a really great combo deal. And that sits across from the television, but the cabinets are so nice, very deep and wide cabinets. I like that. And the kitchen is really nice too, very spacious. Then you have your stove. The microwave is top notch. The sink with you can look at that, solid surface, very pretty sink. And that's nice to have these cabinets, these drawers back here too for organization. The bunkette dinette set is really nice, and then the shades are an upgrade too. That's really nice to have the shades. And I like the ceiling treatment, it has the extra lights as well. And then there's ice and water on the door on the refrigerator, so very nice fridge. Has the freezer section below it, and plenty of room to be able to be a full timer with this particular one. And then over here is the bathroom, all upgraded, has a beautiful backsplash, great cabinetry, just really feels high-end, beautiful finish out, current colors. And then you come into the master bedroom, beautiful mirror over here on the wall, has the solid surfaces, the television, beautiful bed, and also has the ceiling treatments in here, but lots of room. You'll be able to put your glasses, CPAP, whatever you might have. There's plenty of room for that sort of thing in here too. Great doors. I mean, look at this door. That is so pretty. And then the bathroom, this shower is really large. Has the double sinks with the solid countertop surfaces and large medicine cabinets too. That makes it nice, but check out this closet. You even have a vanity solid surface cabinetry in here. And then back here is where the washer and dryer is, so it's right here with your clothes. That makes it super nice. And then extra storage has this for your hanging clothes. And this coach is really ready for a full timer. Now, this kitchen is an upgrade. The solid surface countertops, all of this, wow, comes out the trash can. You can tuck it away, and the cabinetry is all finished out. It's beautiful. And then when you look at the price sheet, and this particular Tiffin is going for $249.5. Now this is really nice with the outdoor, on this particular Tiffin bus, the outdoor television, that's a large screen. And of course you have all the storage bays underneath it as well. But that is huge. That's great for tailgating or just being outside camping at night. Great feature. And then back here, just more storage bays. You can see the paint is in great condition on this Allegro bus. And tag axle. You can see the back of it here. And has the ladder, but the paint job is in very good shape. Current colors. This one is a beautiful coach. I really like the finish out. Has the mix of the light with the black. These chairs are top notch. They look brand new. I love this black piping. And then has things like the reading light and the crystal knobs. Everything look really updated coach. Has the television up here up front. That is a great cockpit that the driver will certainly enjoy. And these seats they don't look like anyone has sat in them. They are in such great quality. Well, there's all of your electronics as well to give you an idea of the thermostat controls, and really just a good hub right there. But it's nice having these opposing sofas where you can turn around the chairs and everyone's in here, and you have accommodations to sleep. It has a great ceiling feature on it as well. That is really pretty. And this cabinetry goes all the way through. So this entire wall is full of extra space for whatever storage needs you have. Has the updated blinds with the good colors, very neutral. And the dinette set, this is spacious, and that's a great work area. If you have laptops that you want to work husband-wife team on the road, there's plenty of room here to be able to set up for that sort of configuration. And then you have the television right here behind you, and your kitchen has got a lot of amenities, even the dishwasher. That is a nice feature. The 2-burner stove. The microwave too is in great condition. Guys, this coach is so new. It smells new. All the cabinetry is top-notch, clean. It just doesn't look like anything has been here. It has the shiny floors too, with the accent carpet is a light gray carpet. It's very pretty. And then you go into the refrigerator, ice on the door, large refrigerator that you would like for being on the road, along with your freezer section. Great quality. And then I like this feature. It has an upper and lower pull through for more storage, keep you organized. And here in the middle of the coach, you've got the washer and dryer just right here. So if you're doing the wash, you can still be involved in the family, do some cooking, come do some wash. That works out too. This bath right here is very nice, all updated, high-end finishes with the solid surface, granite in the back and behind the sink, and large bedroom. Has a really nice ceiling treatment, but plenty of storage. Has the television, a window here, and then the cabinets back here even have additional shelving. That's a nice feature as well, so that makes it nice. Let's check out this bed. Oh, this bed is super comfortable. Okay, I like that. That's a selling feature. And then still the shiny surfaces into this bathroom is very nice. Very current colors. Has the double sinks and then the medicine cabinets, a large shower, the commode. Back here is a deep closet. Has the shelf for the shoes, built-in cedar closet. It's lined, And that pull for your hanging clothes reaches from one side to the other. So that really makes it a nice feature too. There is just storage galore on this one. So you step down back into the master bedroom, and it's a very pretty coach. Now this 2015 is an American Eagle, and there is the price. It looks like it's also eligible for an extended service plan. So that's nice too. If you're looking for that, that's an option. Okay, so this American coach, the paint job is in fabulous shape, and it is just a real beauty. Then you have your outside entertainment television just right up here, and that gives you an idea. Has the Sony speakers underneath it, great for tailgating. And then of course all the storage bays underneath. And this one is a tag axle as well, that's locked. But you can see the paint job is just in great shape. It is a beautiful coach, very current colors. And the back of it, this one is from Arkansas, and it is just a real pretty back on this particular one. Well, this one is a 2007 Newell mid-entry, where you come up the stairs and then is the dinette table. Great ceiling features. Has the sculpted carpets, and then a very comfortable sofa, has the recliner, and that is a great work section over there. Plenty of room to be able to do on the road working. And then the upfront cockpit, you'll notice that this particular one really sits the seats forward and gives the driver a lot of control driving down the road. The Newells are very safe. The way they're built is to keep safety in mind. Has the television up front, but the ceiling features are just beautiful on this Newell. And so much room to be able to enjoy. The ceilings are just so much higher than a regular coach. So this is more like an RV condo as how it feels when you're in it, just because of the square footage. This particular one, it smells good. It's got nice colors. The lighter colors I really like. Has these blinds that really bring in, but another feature of the Newell is how large these windows are. Really, when you're out camping, you have got an expansive view that you would just love with all these. Look at how huge that window is over there. That is an enormous window. And then coming back here to the kitchen, here's your coffee station. This cabinetry is just second to none. Everything inside of the cabinets is fully carpeted with these ledges so that nothing really falls out. And that is a great feature. It's lit, and you will see this throughout all of the Newells. These rounded curved surfaces really takes a high degree of craftsmanship to pull this off, but all of the cabinets are done this way throughout the coach. So you can see this sink right here, has the stereo speakers, has the microwave, and then the dishwasher is a great feature for on the road too. And then behind these doors is the refrigerator. Very heavy, it's a Sub-Zero, so that makes it really nice. Check that refrigerator out, very nice and cool. And then the drawers below it is for your freezer. So that really is a great treat. Let's see what's inside these cabinets. Oh, look at that glide. I mean, it is just the finest craftsmanship that you will find. Has the beautiful marble finish floors. And then the pocket doors are done on air. So they just glide. And then into this master suite, you're going to see a Murphy bed that will then fold up. This entire room can become an additional office. You could add a nursery bed if you had grandkids coming. There is so much room in here. Makes it so nice. And this is where the washer and dryer is. Back here in the bedroom. So that makes it nice too. Easy access to do your laundry. And going on in here, these cabinets where all the electronics are, that gives you an idea. There's this whole entire wall is full of storage. And then behind this door is, of course, the hanging rod for your clothes to be able to hang them. And that makes it really nice. Another pocket door for privacy. And then back here into the bathroom, you have the solid surfaces, the very interesting sink. It's got the shower, and then another wall of cabinets and drawers for you to be able to access, and gives you more room. If I can push the button, there we go. And just a lot more room in there, along with a little friendly cricket. So this coach just has a lot of features. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Has a sculpted floor throughout the master as well. I love the ceiling treatment above the bed. Has the speakers in the bedroom as well. But even you can see up here is this leather finish above the bed. Has a place for storage next to your bed. So they really have just thought about all the features you need. So much cabinets and just so much space. Once again, this ceiling height goes all the way through the bedroom. So for someone who's really tall, this is a perfect RV condo. It does not feel like an RV, it feels like a condo. So now we're looking at the price, and this one is a 2007 Newell 45 foot with the bath and the Murphy bed, and it is for $324,500. So this one is not the passenger entry, it's the mid-entry, but this has got really nice paint job. The finish of it is in pretty good shape. Remember, it's a 2007, but one thing about the Newell, they even have this all underneath. The way that they do construction is completely different. You'll also see that the windows are, there's no lapping over. It's a solid window, so it's just built completely different. You'll see that on this slide as well, the rounded curves, it's all finished out, has the dual tag, and back here, all of the power has the blue ox on this one, another Montana plate as well.
Guys, if you enjoyed the content today, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It would really help our channel out, and we would appreciate you.